Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to purse your lips. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. Okay, it's really easy to do. This is how you purse your lips. First of all, what does it look like? When you purse your lips, it looks like this. Very simple, okay? Now, how do you do that? There are basically three factors to pursing your lips. Okay, factor number one is bringing your lips together tightly, okay? Factor number two is making them in a rounded shape. And then factor number three is bringing your lips forward so your cheeks go in a little bit, okay? That's basically it. Those are the three factors. So bring your lips together tightly. That's number one, tightly. Number two is going to be rounded shape. And then number three is going to be bring your lips forward so your cheeks go in, like that. Your lips come forward, your cheeks go in, like that. Those are the three factors. That's how to purse your lips. And when you do it all together as one smooth motion, it looks like this. Imagine you're saying, ow, 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 ow. That's it. Very easy to do. That's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I tried to keep it short and sweet. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.